Baby though. There's no baby in that stroller. Where's the baby?
I'll find her baby.
You need a baby for the stroller, honey.
Right here. Nope. Here you go.
There we go. Have you got a baby now? You got a baby. You're going to get caught up on the rug, honey. Here. There we go. You're going to go fast once you hit the tile. Be careful. Yeah, that's good, Ella. Thank you. Whoa. Whoa up. Whoa up. You dropped your baby. Baby drop. I don't think dogs cry like that, honey.